How to fix the page fault in non-paged area error on Windows 10/8/7. To fix the page fault in non-paged area error on Windows 10/8/7, try 1. Test your PC RAM, run Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. Replace it if possible or needed. 2. Disable antivirus applications. Update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Disable automatically manage paging file size for all drives. 5. Check system disk for potential hardware issues. And run hardware troubleshooter as well. Run msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command in command prompt as admin. 6. Reset your PC.